but Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation shares elements with you more about the largest road, highway development and port infrastructure expansion across the nation, about the work that has been done in expanding national water access, the social water program, what we've been doing in climate action. I've heard people say, environment is not just about building trees. It's not about just building trees. And we have certainly done more, so we say some more about that. It speaks about how we've empowered MSMEs, how we're transforming urban centers, and advancing the digital economy. It speaks about our systematic land titling program, and we're going to say more about that, of course, in just a couple of days. And it also, of course, goes into the Office of the Prime Minister. You know that housing is there, green energy is there, more urban renewal and public sector digitization. There's so much in here. And on the cultural side and the creative industry side, as you flip through, there are so many things which you may have either forgotten or not recognized. Another work for us to go through. But we not only speak about the work that has been done in sports and development of grassroots youth sports development, but about the well-being for creatives. It's about how we've embarked on the entertainment zone creation, the decibel zones, environmental impact zone assessments, all of the preparatory work that is going to help us move into the next chapter of harnessing our creative economy. It's about how it is that we have moved forward in the political cooperation of women and their empowerment. It's about the fact that we have not only exonerated our national heroes who had criminal charges against them and our other freedom fighters, as we needed to do that in order to fully and successfully complete our lobby for the exoneration of Marcus Garvey overseas. People forget that we exonerated our freedom fighters right here, including Chief Taki. We have also had a revival and renewal of national knowledge and celebration of Jamaican culture. We have provided additional support for coral garden survivors and economic support, economic empowerment programs for cultural and religious communities such as the Ethiopian Orthodox Church, such as the Maroons in the various communities, including Akompong. We have a lot of information to share. This is our next chapter of our achievements, the next chapter of our achievement story. And we invite you to share, have a look. Many people want to think of the Jamaica Labour Party's achievements in a particular box, but it is so rich and wide and life impacting that we really did not think it would be too much at this stage to share more, because people have been asking us for more. This document is not going to be printed, however, in the same way. It is available online, and we want to remind that, like our Record of Achievements digital book, it has all the accessibility features, whether you are actually blind and therefore need an audio component, or you're colorblind and therefore need an adjustment of the colors. All of that happens automatically once you click on the accessibility feature that allows you to then have the adjustments. If you are dyslexic and your reading is therefore has a different type of challenge, you can click on the dyslexia button and it will ensure that the books present themselves in a way that where the words present themselves in an easy format for you to read, digest, and enjoy. So we are very much focused on not only putting a document in the public space, but making it accessible to everyone, whether you have cognitive and learning challenges, whether you have ADHD, whether you have dyslexia or low vision. There's the ability to